Hey guys, it's Mr. Chu, and here's what you're going to learn today. By the end of this video, you should be able to construct a box plot. So example 1 states that 25 pennies were found in a box, and the mint year was recorded on the dot plot below. In order for us to create a box plot of this data, we need to identify 5 different pieces of information. The first is the minimum value, which in this case is going to be 1973. Our maximum value, so that means we're looking for the penny with the latest mint year, which is going to be 2000. And now we must find the median. And so just like as if the numbers were arranged in order, we can actually just cross off the first and the last terms until we get to a middle, because the median, if you recall, is the middle term. So we'll cross off beginning and ends, and we'll continue crossing off until we get to our median. And I get 1992. Now we have to find Q1, or our first quartile. Q1 is going to be the median of the first half of the data. So let's start again. So our median of the first half of the data is going to be 1986. And we can do the same thing for the third quartile. In this case, we have two different terms to represent our median. And if you recall, if we have two terms left over in the middle, we'll find the sum and divide by 2. So in this case, our third quartile is going to be 1996.5. Now that we have all 5 pieces of information, we can start constructing our box plot. We're going to mark the minimum at 1973. So this is our minimum. We'll mark our maximum at 2000. We'll mark the median at 1992. We'll mark the first quartile at 1986. And the third quartile at 1996.5. The last steps are actually constructing our box. The actual box connects the first quartile to the third quartile. And finally, we'll go ahead and connect the box to the maximum and minimum values. And here we have our box plot.